REI Capital Growth. SEC qualified commercial real estate investing.
Hey there, welcome to the REI Capital tutorial. Let's get you comfortable using our commercial real estate forum. Start by logging into your portal at reicm.io. Once you're in, scroll down the right-hand side until you spot that Go to Forum button. Click it, and you'll jump straight into the forum. No extra logins needed. Now you're in. This is where commercial investors like you connect. You'll find three main things here: breaking news updates, social media conversations, and CRE-based news specifically crafted for your real estate investors. See a post you like? Read through the insights, hit reply to join the conversation, or tap that like button to show some love. Want to dig deeper? All our resource links live up top, while category tabs help you navigate specialties. We'll ping you with regular updates too. Keep an eye on those notifications. When you're done exploring, your profile settings wait up in the top right corner, along with the log out button when you're ready. Thanks for diving into the REI Capital Community.